Hi, my name is Sam. Let's learn together. Hello, class. My name is Mr. Sam. The summer went by so fast, didn't it? But now it's time to learn and discover new things. Today we'll learn the names of school subjects in English. I will show you different pictures and your job is to guess. What subject is it? Are you ready? Let's go! Something is wrong on the board. What subject do we use to solve the puzzle? Yes, it is math. On which lesson could we visit the ancient world without leaving school? Great job! That's history! In which lesson can we create real magic? Well done! This is science! Which class has no chairs, lots of running, and someone always forgets their shoes? Excellent! PE, physical education. Which class lets you paint a blue cat and a purple tree and no one says it's wrong? That's correct! Art class. In which class can you watch funny cartoons with Pug Sam and learn cool new words at the same time? Perfect! English class. Which class lets you sing like a superstar? You are right. Music class. During which lesson do you feel like a real hacker? Great job! IT, information technology. In which class can my paw travel the whole world on a globe? Yes, geography. In which class do I hear magic stories about beating a dragon? Excellent. Literature. In which lesson can I be anyone I want? Even a wolf or a princess? That's correct. Drama class. If you had fun learning, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's learn together.